printing?
So if you go towards 15th Street, this is the one.
So that camera, your phone, they're going to have to come off. They're going to go into the X.
Hey, did you know which direction is the Bureau of Engraving and Printing?
So if you go towards 15th Street, this is the one that is currently closed with traffic, but you can walk on it.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see the building with the sort of glass dome?
Okay.
That is the Holocaust Museum. Next to it is going to be the Bureau of Printing and
Thank you. Hey. Hey. Yeah,
Can I see your
for
tickets, please?
okay. Ticket.
Plus that. All right. It's up through here. My associate's gonna have to do
Thank
security.
you. Hey.
Hey, so this is security. So that camera, your phone, they're going to have to come off. They're going to go into the X-ray belt before you walk through the metal detector. Just so you know, once you are in the tour space, you also are not allowed to record or have a camera out. So that camera will have to go.